what's going on inside here. So in this training, let's talk about Sol Ads and how you can use Sol Ad to build your email marketing business, right? So the first question is, what is Sol Ads, right? So Sol Ads are email-based advertisements. So there are some people, they are building your list and they are selling Sol Ads, which means you can buy Sol Ads from them and they will send emails to promote your offer, to promote your link, right? So it's a great way for you to build your list, right? Because if they do a great job to build a relationship with their list, it's really great and high converting traffic. So you want to find a great vendor, then you want to buy Sol Ads from them, right? But just like any kind of ad, there are pros and cons of Sol Ads. So let's talk about pros first. So the pros is, the first one is really easy. You don't have to worry about ad creative. You don't have to shoot videos or any ad policy. So if you want to run ad on Facebook, you want to follow their policies. So sometimes they will reject your ads. And if you get it rejected too many times, you may get your account suspended, right? So that's really, troublesome. But if you run Sol Ads, you don't have to worry about that. You can literally promote anything, right? So it doesn't limit to any offer or niches, right? So as long as your vendor agreed you to promote, then you can promote that, right? And also the second benefit is that's way more affordable than Facebook ad, than Google ad or YouTube ad, right? So if you ever try to run Facebook ad or Google ad, nowadays ads are really expensive. So I used to buy Google ads. Sometimes it can get $10 per click. So it's so crazily expensive. But on Sol Ads, it's normally $0.4 per clicks or sometimes $0.8 per clicks. It's way more affordable than those ad platforms. And also you can get instant access to the traffic. So normally all the vendor will send the traffic within 1 day. So you don't have to wait the days to wait the team to approve the traffic, right? So you can access to the traffic instantly. And also those traffic are proven to interact with email ads, right? Because the reason why they can jump on your list, because the vendors send emails to their list to promote your offer. And that's the reason they can get into a list. So those people, they are proven to open emails, to click on the link and to sign up for other offers. So those are proven email traffic. And most sellers would over deliver. So sometimes they will over deliver maybe 10%. Sometimes they will over deliver 20%. So you can get way more clicks than you expected. So those are the pros of buying Sol Ads. So right now, let's talk about the cons of running Sol Ads, right? So the first one is your subscriber may be in multiple lists, right? So because the vendor, they try to sell to different people. So those leads, those subscribers, they will jump on different lists as well. So they may get bombarded by different offers daily. So you really want to build a deeper relationship. You may need to tell stories. You may need to provide values so that you can stand out from the crowd. You don't want to bombard them with offer. You want to provide them value so that they can trust you, they can like you, and they will buy from you. And also, another problem is the quality might be lower. So I say might, because sometimes there's some kind of middleman. They don't actually build a relationship. They don't even own the list. All they did is they find some cheap and low quality traffic source and they resell them to you. So you really want to check if they are a middleman or not. Or some then are even worse, they will give you bot traffic. So those click are fake. Those email are not real people. They are just like a bot. They are fake email, and that's the worst scenario you will face. So I will show you how you can get rid of them. Also, the majority of the traffic will be in MMO niche, which means make money online. So the majority of the vendor here are selling lists or traffic in make money online niche. Those people, they got interest in how to make money online. They want to learn marketing, right? So you say, hey, how about my offer is about how to lose weight? Then you want to find the vendor. Sometimes they are not public, or sometimes you want to contact. Maybe there's some blogger, they do build some list. So you can contact them to buy Sol Ad from them as well. But if you want to buy Sol Ad from marketplace, most of them are in MMO niche. So right now, let's talk about some tips of buying Sol Ads, right? So The first one is you want to rotate the vendor you buy from each time. So if you keep on buying from the same vendor, they may end up sending you offer to the same list. So that's you don't want. You want fresh leads, right? So that's the reason why you want to rotate your vendor. So maybe you want buy from vendor A on day 1, then you buy from vendor B on day 2. Maybe after a week, you go back to buy from vendor A, but you want to give them some time so they can build the list, so they can send you fresh leads, right? And also you want to test with a small order. So you don't want to buy like 1,000 clicks at first. You want to test with maybe 100 clicks and to test if it's converting, right? So if it's a proven and converting traffic, then you can scale it up, right? Then also you want to track your conversion. You want to do a proper tracking. I will show you how in another video, but you want to track if those leads do sign up for your offer. And also you want to ask questions before buying because you want to make sure the vendor is not a middleman. And I will show you how later in this video as well. And also you want to build a SLO, self-liquidating offer. So you want to break even on your ad cost with this one. So I will show you what is that and how you can do about that as well, right? So let's talk about your offer. So when you are building your list with Solo Ads, your first goal is that you should be able to break even on your ad cost with your front-end offer, or we call it self-liquidating offer, because the offer can help you self-liquidate your ad cost, which means you don't have to worry about being broke buying ads because it can help you break even as soon as possible. So you need to nail this offer so that you can keep on buying ads, because every time you buy ads, you make more money. Then you can reinvest the same money. Then you can just grow your list over time, right? And also you need to find a proven offer and you want to build a funnel in place. So the offer must be high converting. It must have a great offer, has a great sales page, has a great story. So it's appealing to your subscribers. And also the offer should be able to solve your subscribers' problem. So after they buy the product, they feel satisfied, they will want to buy from you again. You cannot afford to sell like low quality product. I know some people they will try to promote some product from ClickBank, but the quality is really low. You don't want to do that. You want to sell them high quality products, right? And also you want to make sure they feel satisfied, they feel happy after buying from you. Also, you can offer them some bonuses, right? So when they buy from you, you say, hey, thanks for buying, I give you some bonuses, so they feel happy, then they will buy from you again. And you want to keep on tracking and testing and tweaking your funnel, right? So it's really likely your first few runs won't be successful. You may not make any money after your first few runs, right? It's totally okay because it's a process. We want to keep on tracking, tweaking, and testing our funnel to refine it, to make sure we create a better offer. We refine our offer over time. And also you want to build a great opt-in page. So the minimum is 30% conversion rate. So if it's lower than that, you want to change your offer, you want to change your copy to find a one with at least 30% conversion rate. And you will need a back-end offer, which means a high-ticket offer in your funnel for your front-end offer buyers, right? So after they buy your maybe ebook, maybe your $7 course, things like that, you want to offer them something for them to buy later. Maybe you can offer them some webinar and they can jump on the webinar, and maybe on the webinar you sell them something high ticket. So that's a way to doing that. So right now, let's talk about 4 questions you can ask the vendor to make sure the quality of their ad is great, right? So the first question is, how do you build your list? You want to make sure they are building their list from high quality traffic source. Maybe it's from content marketing, maybe blogging, maybe YouTube videos, or from ads, maybe Google ads, maybe Facebook ads, or maybe those are the buyer lead, which means the vendor, they are selling some product on the internet And when someone buy it, they become their subscriber. So those are three major ways for people to build a high quality like subscriber base, right? And also you want to make sure they are building a relationship with their subscriber, which means they can send some helpful on content to their list. They just not bombard their subscriber with offer. They also interact with them. They also provide some valuable information, and you can just see how they actually build the relationship with their list, right? And also you want to ask, will you promote my offer to your buyer list too, right? So you want to make sure they do promote your offer to their buyers, because a buyer is a buyer is a buyer, right? So this is a famous quote from Dan Kennedy. So a buyer is really important, right? You want them to promote your offer to buyers because buyers buy, right? So you want to get buyers, right? And as also you want to know what are the topic their list got interest in, right? So you want to make sure your offer matches their need and desire, right? So you want to know what kind of offer converts the best so that you have a clear idea what you can promote. And also you want to know where can I sign up for your list. So if you ask this question and they give you the page to sign up, which means you can know they are not a middleman. They are not someone who try to arbitrage the traffic. And also you can sign up to see how they follow up with their audience, how they build a relationship. So if they are really providing value to their subscriber, or they just promote lots of things without building any relationship, you really want to buy from someone who do build a relationship with their list, which means they are providing values, which means they are sending some valuable information, they are interacting with their list, right? So when they are promoting your offer, their list will trust them more, which means the conversion rate will be higher. So right now, let's talk about some marketplaces you can go to buy solo ads. The first one is Udimi, right? So Udimi is by far the biggest one, and that's really good. So I will have another video show you how you can buy solo ads from Udimi. Another place is Warrior Forum. So this one is the biggest online communities for internet marketers. So there are some sub forums that you can go there to buy solo ad as well. And another one is Facebook group. So there's so many groups about solo ads. You can go there to post your service, or you can buy a solo ad from. And the last one is Google. So you can go there to search for solo ad seller or solo ad vendor, and you can find a lot, right?